Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this dry mini album set. So this is the one that I showed in the previous video, and let's get started. So you will get all these pieces, and this is the basic piece with these two, and you also get the alphabet J and Y, and then you will get a bulb in these ones, so you could make it into a shaker. So this is the bottom, and this is to cut the foam to make the shaker portion, and this is the top part of the bulb. So if you use this set, then you could create a page like this. So this is in one page, and you get the words JOY, and also this piece into a shaker, and then you could make other, cut other pages like so, and make your mini album. So this is one way. If you want to make it like this in 3 separate pages, then you need to have these pieces. And so let me show you how to cut these pieces out. So first I will take all these pieces away. So first you need to cut this piece out. Like, since you only want to make the J, right? So you don't need to cut the whole piece. Like, you only need to cut like so. And then run through the machine. So you get a piece like so. And then this is the piece to cut the J. So you put it here, just like in this way. So in the back, you will see here, you can see that the line, the cutting line is a little above the paper, right? So it's going to be like this. And the bottom part is the same, just to make sure the cutting line is a bit, the bottom of this cutting line should be a little, little below this paper. And then now you could use our tape to stick it, so it will like this way, right? So now I will get a piece like this. So it's going to be the J, and then we also need to make the layering part for this piece, right? So we need to take this piece. So this piece with the stitcher line is the layering part. So that's also cut just only a piece here. Yeah, so you also only need to cut part of this die set. So this is the piece, and you take this piece. So this piece is with the stitcher line, and also you did the same. So you put it here. See, at the back side, you could see it better. So it looks like this to put it at this part. And then here is the bottom. And now let's add the tape and then run through the machine. So it will make it like so. See here. So when I put it, it didn't cut very good because when it ran through the machine, the place moved a little bit, but it's okay because you could only just trim it a little bit. And then this part is okay. So it will look like this. And so this is the layering piece for this one. See, like so. You could make your first page of this one. And then you also do the same to the other page. So first cut this page to this part. So about this part. So it looks like this. And now let's use this one, this thinner part to cut the edge for the barb. So also we need to check this back piece. Yeah, so it lines up here. And also the bottom part lines up here. And now let's add a stick as a tape here. So it cut out like this. And now we use this piece to cut the layering, the pattern paper. Also we need to cut this piece out. And now we take this piece, this thicker piece with the stitching line. So we also do it like so. So okay, this is the layering piece. See, it looks like this. And the last page is very easy. You only need to cut this piece as the backing piece and this piece as the layering piece on top to finish the last page. So see, like so. So this is how to cut this edge. And let me take all these aside, and I have cut all these out like so. So I also cut the J, Y, and this barb with foam and also with this topper piece. And then I cut the acetate paper. And for this acetate paper, you only need to cut like in this part, because this part, yeah, there is no need for cutting all the part. You only need to cut this part, but it's okay. Because I just trim off this extra part. So it looks like this. And I also add a part here. So it will look like this way. And I will add glue on all these pieces. Okay, these pages are ready. And let's stick these parts. So stick this J on the foam and also Y on the foam. And now I stick this J on top, and then this is the place to put the Y. And for the middle page, we need to make a shaker here. So first glue this acetate paper on the back side of this topper piece. So make sure to line it up well. Okay, this is the topper piece. And because the foam I use will stretch a little bit while running through the machine. So normally I will put this piece on the backing piece, since there is a backing piece of the, let me see. See there, this is the backing piece for the barb. So normally I will cut a background piece with this and then put this piece on this part and then fill the shaker base inside and then use this topper part to close it like so. But this time, because I already have a backing piece as this piece here, so I didn't use this piece. And I just want to avoid the problem of, because this foam will stretch a little bit. So this time I will close this topper part first. So I will stick the this part on the foam first. You know, but if your foam will not have that problem, then it's okay. You can glue the foam on the backing piece first, and then add shakers, and then add the topper piece. Yeah, I think that is a better way of adding the shakers. See, my foam will stretch a little bit, so I need to make sure it in a good shape. So yeah, it's ready. And now I know that this part is going to be to put the shaker. Okay, I will put a little bit of these sequins inside. So I need to put the sequins at this part. So yeah, it's like so, right? Now add glue on this foam part. Now hold it for a little second so the glue will dry. So this is how the barb shaker is made. And now we have these pages ready to go. See, like so. You will get these 3 separate pages, and then you could decorate your mini album with all these things. You could decorate them. Yeah, I think of adding some noodle drops on top, maybe. Just make it like snowflakes, I think. Yeah, I think that would be a fun idea because I recently loved doing that. Especially for the Christmas season. So yeah, I think it's a fun thing. And then you could make the other pages to complete your mini album or your embellishment book. This is just like a cover of your mini album or of your embellishment book. And then you could also put some embellishment on this part and also on this part. And besides this, you could also make this piece, like I have made it like so, right? And then you could fussy cut this piece out. Because there is a line here, just an embossing line here. I think it's just great for you. So you could make a cut using this one also. Just cut around this line. So like this. So it's going to be a card. Then you can also use this piece just to make a page at the back side to make it into a card. So yeah, I think it's better with this page. So let me do it for you. So you just fold this piece a little over, like in this way first, just to make the glue flap, and like so, and then add this piece here. So you run through the machine like so, and this cutting line is over this this part. See, it will look like this, and then run through the machine. So it will look like this, and you will get a glue flap at this part. And also you need to trim off the extra part. And also trim off this part a little bit because you don't need the glue flap in this wide, right? And flip this glue flap over like so and stick it on top. Okay, now you will have a gift card like so. So you could make a quick card with this mini album set also. And I think it's very fun. Then you could have your messages inside, right? So yeah, I think these are the ways to create the, to play with this die set. And if you have any questions, please just let me know. And I will also do other tutorials in the coming week, so stay tuned. And yeah, again, if you want to have any tutorials, please leave me comment and then I will do it for you. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.